5 coolest gadgets for men that are worth seeing. Hello and welcome to Tech Biggest YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. In today's increasingly complex world, we depend on new technologies and innovations to streamline and simplify, to eliminate hassles and speed everything up. From the ways in which we work to the tools we employ to consume and create content to smart products that are truly transformative, we exist in a world powered by gadgets. Here is the list of the best cool gadgets for men that are worth seeing. Today's best new tech innovations do much more than their intended function. They add a layer of convenience and buy back time we used to spend waiting. They keep us on track and productive. Safer, better connected, more entertained and informed, whatever the products promise. If it's legit, we are hooked. And these products become essentials. The list in this video is a cross-section of outstanding innovations and clever creations, all designed to make tomorrow better, simpler and smarter than yesterday. That's progress after all, and who doesn't want more of that? So plug in and power up our list of the best gadgets for men that are worth seeing. Number 1. Klipsch Pro Media Heritage 2.1 Speakers. Few competitors can match the high-quality sound and modern design of Klipsch speakers, especially this newest addition to their lineup. The Pro Media Heritage 2.1 is built for audiophiles, a 2.1 system with 3-inch woofers, 1-inch tweeters, an 8-inch subwoofer, and the proprietary Tractix horn design that produces crystal clear, well-balanced sound. With 35 watts of power per speaker, and 100 watts from the subwoofer, it delivers impressive volume, perfect for gaming, movies, or just blasting your favorite dance tunes in the house. With USB-A, RCA, 3.5mm, and Bluetooth connection options, it's compatible with all your devices. Best of all, the design is a throwback to the 1957 Heresy loudspeakers, a touch of vintage that will stand out beautifully in your modern home. Number 2, Anker 655 USBC Hub. With a unique faux leather exterior, a braided nylon cable, and all new earthy white and charcoal gray color options, this is a USB-C hub with a style and build quality like no other, while still giving you all the connectivity options you need. Equipped with a 100 watts USB-C power delivery input port, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 data ports, a 4K HDMI port, an Ethernet port, microSD, SD card slots, and an aux port, Anker's 655 USB-C hub lets you plug everything in while offering portable convenience. USB-A ports offer transfer speeds of 10 gigabits per second, while the SD/microSD card slots transfer at 312 megabytes per second. Number 3. Dodo Sleep Aid Device. The Dodo device is designed to help you get to sleep faster. Utilizing techniques that combine meditation, yoga, and cognitive behavioral therapy, the device guides you to produce the relaxation response essential for falling asleep. Tapping the device for a variety of programmed controls, it projects timed lights onto your ceiling that you focus on as you drift toward sleep. Number 4. Sony Link Buds. Sony's Link Buds don't look like the other buds. The difference, just look at them. They've got a 12mm driver in the shape of a ring with a hole in the middle. The hole allows ambient sounds in while keeping sound quality crisp and clear. Smaller and lighter than AirPods, they offer 5.5 hours of continuous playback, and with a charging case, up to 17.5 hours total. Number 5, Samsung the Freestyle HDR Smart Portable Projector. Generating lots of buzz at this year's Consumer Electronics Show, Samsung's compact Freestyle HD projector delivers a ton of function and impressive abilities in an easy-to-use, portable package. Built-in support for all of Samsung's smart TV streaming apps plus HDR10, 300:1 native contrast and projection size up to 100 diagonal make for a sweet wall-size display. Connect via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or plug into the micro HDMI port. That brings us to the end of this video. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.